Good morning and welcome back. So it is Wednesday today. Oh, well, come on. Come here, Dad. Say hello. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No. No. That's Mummy's mirror.
No.
No. Is that Issa's mirror?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Is that Issa? You need help? There. Oh. Let me help you. Let me help you. Ready? There. Is that you? Oh, you're such a cuddle bug. Are you a cuddle bug? My cuddles? Oh, you got hair in your mouth. What's this? On your lips. Okay, let's put that away. Anyway, so I thought I would talk to you about how I plan my gym workouts. Like, I've only been to the gym about 5 times, but I thought I would share with you what has been going on with the gym and all that kind of thing. So I've been a few times. I've been to 3 classes, aerobics classes, and every time I've been, I've improved a little bit, which makes me so happy because obviously then you know that something's going right. But I've also done like my own workouts in the actual gym bit where there's like machines and stuff. So every time I go, I do 5 minutes on any machine, treadmill, the bike, or cross trainer or something like that, just to warm up. I hate machines so much. This is why I didn't join the gym, because I thought that's all you can do in the gym. Yeah, so I do that for 5 minutes and then I move on to the weight bit, which some people may think is quite extreme, doing weights and stuff, but weights is good for you. It burns more fat, I think. I don't even know. I'm just gonna chat crap right now. But what I do is high intensity workouts, like gym workouts, which you can probably do at home, I'm not even gonna lie, but at home I do not have motivation to work out or anything like that. I have tried, I'm not gonna lie, but in the gym I just do it because I'm in my gym clothes. In the gym around me there's like weights and machines and things. So yeah, so what I do is go on Instagram and then I type in something like full body workouts, like hashtag full body workouts, beginner gym workout, things like that. And I began finding pages on Instagram of full workouts that you can do, and they're so easy to follow and it's just perfect. Like, I bought some Bluetooth headphones just so that I could do these workouts. When I go to the gym, I want to sweat. I want to be out of breath almost, because obviously like you just know that you've done something if those things are happening. So if I can do that, then that's amazing. I've just typed in beginner workout, hashtag beginner workout on Instagram, and I'm going to look through and find one that I want to do. I'm going to do a full body workout. There is an account that I found and I did last time, which is amazing. I will tell you exactly what it is. It is called Erica Collins Fit, and she is so good. I love her account. She should have more followers because her workouts are so easy to follow, and I'm just obsessed with her workouts. So they come like this, and then it tells you on the front legs and glutes. So I might do that today. So she uses one of these bars, I don't know what they're called, and then she's doing some squats with it, some deadlifts, oh my god, and then lateral lunges. Oh my god, I hate lunges. Squats with weights. So I could do that, like I would be happy, because I would die. Not die, but you know, sweat and all that kind of thing. So I'm going to try and do that. It says repeat 4 times for killer legs and glutes workout. So I'm going to do that, do it again until I'm actually dying, until I feel like I can't do it anymore, and push myself just because I can. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll see how it goes. What I do is use this little thing here. Can you see it? Let's try and focus on that. There's this little button here. It's to save it. So if you see it in the corner, that's how you save a post on Instagram, if you didn't know that already. So I saved mine, and then you can access it through, if you go to the little lines at the top of your page. Can you see? If you go to these lines at the top of your page and then go to saved. Oh, am I gonna press it? Am I gonna press it? Yes, and then you go there, and then all of them are here. I've just got all workouts on there. I'm gonna be able to just go onto this page, and then while I'm at the gym I can just quickly choose a workout, or if I have time to plan it beforehand, then I will say I'm going to do this one and this one today, and then see how it goes at the gym if I can handle them. But yeah, I'm going to basically push myself to the limit, basically, because I don't go to the gym every day. I'm going to go at least, inshallah, 3 times a week. So I'm going to do 2 of the days I'm going to be doing classes. Mondays and Saturdays I'm going to be doing classes, and then before or after, probably after the classes, I'm going to do a like 20-minute workout or something as well, because when I went on Monday I basically was not aching, and that really put me down yesterday and made me feel really rubbish, because I went to the gym and I was doing the stuff that I was supposed to be doing, but my legs weren't hurting. So what did I do? I didn't even do anything. Like, it just felt like I didn't do anything because my body wasn't hurting. Is that crazy? But now my stomach's hurting because of the ab workout that I did in the evening, even though I didn't finish it because I couldn't. Like, my back was killing when I was doing it. So yeah, you kind of just have to listen to your body and do what your body tells you to do, basically. I don't even know if I'm making any sense, because I don't know what I'm talking about, but in my opinion, I'm a beginner at the gym, working things out basically for myself. So I kind of just want to do everything the way my body tells me to, and the way I feel like I can handle it, and the way that I can do it. That is how I plan my gym workouts and what I'm going to be doing at the gym and things like that. I hope this maybe helped you a little bit, or, you know, help you plan your gym workouts, or, you know, show you something different that you could do at the gym, because a lot of people just stick to the machines, and the machines are great and everything, but doing workouts like that is what gets your heart rate up and actually makes you feel like you've done something. But yeah, I've just uploaded a video, my vlog from yesterday, and my plan for today is basically just to sort out my house before I have to pick Elisa up, which is in just over an hour, and then I don't really know, to be honest. I don't really know. I'm not sure. I'm going to the gym this afternoon, which is why I'm planning my workouts. But anyway, just uploaded the video, and now I'm going to do some washing up and just general tidying up, really. So we have just got in the car and we're about to go and get Elisa from nursery. We're a little bit early, but earlier the better, because then more likely to find parking. So we're just about to go now. I don't really have any plans for after, so I don't know what we're going to do, so we'll see what happens. So we are home now. Elisa and Isa are having some lunch. They're just having sandwiches, and they had some fruit as well. And I'm about to make my brunch lunch type thing, because I'm going to go to the gym in a couple of hours probably, and I thought I would eat something before I went. So I'm going to make myself some hummus, and I'm going to have it with egg and bagel, because why not? Delicious. So me and Elisa are gonna watch Moana because we want to. My sister made me feel like watching it, so I'm gonna watch it. But we're gonna make popcorn because earlier we were talking about sweet corn and Elisa thought I was talking about popcorn. So I tried to give her that, but she didn't even like it, so she doesn't like sweet corn. But we are just making popcorn. Elisa's coming to help me. Are you helping me? Oh, there she is. Be careful, that's gonna be very hot, so don't touch it, okay?
Mummy, I'll stand on that side.
You want to stand on that side?
Yeah,
okay, let me just get the
hot.
Yeah, let me get the popcorn out. So I am outside of the gym, about to go to the gym. I've got something in my eye and it's really annoying me. But yeah, I'm gonna go and do some workouts and I'm so excited. Don't seem like it because really I'm just feeling like I want to go to bed. But I'm gonna do it because I know that after a workout I always feel better. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk to you for a minute because I haven't really caught up with you today. So we just watched Moana at home with Elisa and then their dad is taking care of them while I'm at the gym. And I'm just gonna have a nice little workout without any interruptions. I have my new headphones, which are these ones. I got these from Amazon and they're really good rated. They've got really good reviews on Amazon, so I thought I'd buy those. I did have a wire one, but I can't follow my Instagram workouts on that, so I thought I would do that. I can't talk, so I thought I'd get these because then at least I can wear these and then watch my phone, like if I prop it up or something somewhere. I'm gonna go in the gym, have a little workout now. That was an intense workout. I know I always say that that was like an amazing workout and it was all good and everything, but that, oh my gosh guys, I pushed myself so hard and I literally did that workout like I posted it on Instagram. It's a full body workout and I will link it down below if I can, if I remember. Please remind me if I don't and then I will. And oh my god, like I'm still kind of out of breath even though I did like a 5-minute cool down at the end on the treadmill. I'm like shaky because it was so hard, but I did as many reps as I could. I did 4 sets, but I didn't do the full amount of reps. Am I getting that right? I don't even know. I'm not like with all the gym terms and stuff properly yet. Oh my god, I'm so shaky still. Oh, okay. Basically, it said to do 15 of each 4 times. So I did 15 first and then I cut it down to 10 because I knew that my body wouldn't let me do that. And then after that, after the last two I basically just did as many as I could before, you know, when your legs and your arms start to get shaky. But I did 10 of most of the things, just like the squats where you have to go really low. That is what I couldn't do properly, so next time hopefully I'll be able to get that. But I really feel like my body's gonna hurt tomorrow, which is great. I'm gonna be so happy if I wake up with my body hurting. Like, I never thought I would say that. Like, what is going on with me? Honestly, I do not recognize myself anymore. But anyway, I'm gonna drive home to my beautiful babies and sort out their dinner and everything like that. It is 4 o'clock now, so let's get moving. Let's get the evening started. So I'm at home now and I'm about to make the kids some spaghetti because that is what she requested. Elisa requested spaghetti, so I'm going to make spaghetti. She's literally just gonna have it with cheese. So I'm gonna make a smoothie as well. Elisa, you want a smoothie? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a smoothie as well, and then I'm gonna have something small for dinner because I am stuffed from earlier's brunch. I don't know what I'm talking about. But as you can see, my kitchen is also a mess, so I'm going to be tidying that. Got loads of washing to put away, washing up to do, and I'm just going to be doing bits and pieces. Sweated from at the gym, so I need to have a shower, but I'm going to wait until the kids are in bed to do that, because having a shower with the kids running around is just crazy. So I'm going to be doing that now. What do you think of the smoothie?
It's strawberry.
You like it? Does it taste like strawberry? Yum. Do you like it, little man? Is it nice?
No.
Yeah, put the lid on there. Good job. Well done, baby. Clever boy. Have a taste? Do you like it? Okay, so my camera my camera is dying, so I'm gonna go put it on charge while I finish doing this kitchen.